Good morning, children. Children, let us do an exercise which is given in your textbook, and it is given in page number 121. Choose the correct answer. Okay? After doing certain topics, you are given a small exercise where you have to find out the correct answer. The first one, the satellite, meteor or sun is an object that revolves around a planet. You all know satellites is an object that revolves around a planet. Okay, so it is satellite. Now the satellite can be, children, natural satellite and artificial satellite. Natural satellites are our moons, and artificial satellites are the spacecraft that are in the space, which is maybe moving around the planets. Okay, so the correct answer is the satellite. Coming to the second one, the craters on the surface of the moon was formed by the pieces of rocks called meteorites, planets or ball of fire. You know it is meteorites. Meteorites were actually huge pieces of rocks which fell on the moon because there is no atmospheric layers in the moon, so they came directly on the surface of the moon and they formed different craters. But thankfully, our earth has different layers of atmosphere, so it could not be created. These are your meteorites. You know, the huge rocks which form craters. These huge rocks, as you can see. Okay? And we have already discussed that the moon has huge craters, millions of craters. Now the third one, children, there is no air and life on the earth or on the moon. You all know it is moon because earth, till date we know that it is the only planet which has life because it has atmospheric layers, it has water, and life can exist because on the land where three things meet together: land, your water and your air, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and you have the land, that is lithosphere. It is where biosphere means life can exist. Now children, there is a small interesting fact given in your textbook. 3 Chinese astronauts made a jubilant return to Earth on 28th of September 2008 after successfully completing the country's first ever spacewalk. So we walk on our Earth, they work on the space. The sole task of mission commander Zhang was to revive an experimental track, okay, attached to the outside of the orbital module. He remained suspended in space for about 13 minutes. This is how they walk on space. Walking on space, because in space you know there is no gravity, so they remain actually suspended there. But the moon has gravity, but it has less gravity than Earth. It is just 1/6 of the Earth's gravity. Okay. So this is how they hang and how they are attaching a module with their spacecraft, and they are hanging suspended walking on the space. So there are different interesting facts about the moon, our nearest celestial body. Thank you, children.